Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. Today, this is our part 4, day 7 and 8 of our LED wall installation. Let's go check it out. All right, it's day 7. Last LED wall, the wind wall. We're trying to figure out how to put this mount together. We're gonna get up there and mount that guy. So this is the modified mount that we had to cut it down. We just want to make sure we put it together. So we're pre-populating it on the floor here just to make sure it lines up before we mount it. So the LED wall is up, the modules are up, but we still have all these little black lines that we need to adjust one by one. Each one of these modules has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different points of adjustment, micro adjustment. So you have this little micro adjustment tool that you have to stick on this little magnet. And as you turn it, this will bring the depth of your module in and out to make the lines of LEDs line up with the next one. So currently what I'm trying to do with this module is I'm trying to make it stick flush with the cabinet above it. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I have to do that to every single cabinet that I see a black line on when I'm down and up. I got about 1, 2, 3, about like 20 or so more to go. And then we'll be done with all the micro adjusting on this wall. I'm gonna put this guy back in and see if it worked. If it doesn't work, you put it on, you take it back off. Put it on, you take it back off. So right here, I'm micro adjusting the 44-foot wall. I think I spent 8 hours that day adjusting this guy, trying to get this thing right, get rid of every line. There's a lot of lines, a lot of modules. You gotta be careful when you pop those out so you don't break them as you're constantly working on them. When you're up here for so long, everything starts looking crazy. You start losing where you left off at because you're so close to this thing. It's really hot. So back right here on this wind wall, this is where the scissor lift is. We had to drive it through the cash wrap that was already put into the floor, and we literally had like an inch on either side to wiggle that guy in, and then you could work on it. Then just getting it out was like a 3-point, 4-point, 5-point turn just to get it around back out of that cash wrap when we were done with this smaller wall, the wind wall. So right there, that's where that lift, we had to cram it in and out. I have nightmares of all these little knobs. Dead pixels attacking me in my dreams. So there's 2 racks. This is one of the racks we had to patch in. And then there's a main one in the back. Day 7 is done. Micro adjusted the whole entire wall. I did over 1,000 adjustments on that wall. We got the wind wall up. That's done. Tomorrow we're going to populate it and we'll be done with the site. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So by now, see, all the video games are in there, so we're messing around. They're not on, but it's pretty cool messing around in that place while it's empty. Populating the last side. This is different. This one doesn't, the cabinets and the LED modules on this wall are different style than the other 2 walls that you saw already. This one's a lot easier to work on. Now we got got Mike trying to dry that out for us. It's actually St. Patrick's Day when we finished this, so we left the green on there for St. Patrick's Day. It's day 8, St. Patrick's Day. We have 44 feet of green LED for you for St. Patrick's Day. We're all done. We finished the wind wall. Contents will be up next week. Everything is done. We're packing up. We're out of here. See you guys next time. So that was it. That was 8 days of, I don't know how much LED we put in there. It was a ton. A 44-foot wall, 44 foot by 11 foot, I think. The wind wall, the LED rings, and the smaller entry welcome wall. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Later.